These are super healthy burgers. So first of all, you need to char up some beautiful poblano peppers. You can do this under your broiler, right over a gas stove top, or next to the L train on a grill. Once you get the peppers blackened evenly all over, pop them into a bowl or into a paper sack and seal up the bowl tightly with a little plastic wrap, or if you're using a paper sack, just roll it up. Let the flesh come away from the skins, peel away the charred skins, and then you pop those poblanos into the food processor. And then you're going to add tomatillos that I saute up with some garlic and red onion, salt and pepper. And once the tomatillos start to break down and the onions become a little translucent, you transfer that whole mixture. It'll look like this over here, look like this guy. Transfer that whole mixture into the food processor with the poblanos. Then you can use another drizzle of your agave, or you can use a little drizzle from your honey bear. I just love Mr. Bear's belly. Give it a little squish. Brighten it up with some lime juice. In this case, I'm only gonna use the juice of half a lime because I'm trying to distract you from the fact I just knocked the other half on the floor. It's not a party until you start throwing the fruit. So you put the juice of a whole lime, if you have one, and don't drop it on the floor, into the food processor with the tomatillos and the poblanos. A little bit of cumin. I spiced up the tomatillos with salt, pepper, and a little bit of cumin. Not too much. A little goes a long way. And then you process that until it's just about smooth. And this is a fantastic salsa to serve up with some chips. I especially love the organic blue corn chips. Or you can use it to top these fabulous burgers. Now the burgers, I call them bulked up bulgur burgers. Let me just turn that off. Because you're stretching a buck and you're also making the burgers themselves a lot healthier to eat. You're adding fiber, bulgur, wheat bulgur. Everybody's had tabbouleh salad, right? Yeah, it's that, basically. You buy it in the bulk food section or in the organic section of your grocery store, and you put half a cup of it into a pot with a cup of boiling water. Let it puff up, takes a few minutes, let it get nice and tender, and then cool it down. You take the half a cup of cooked bulgur, combine it with some super lean sirloin. This is nice lean ground sirloin here, or you can use ground turkey as well. And then I put in a big handful of flat leaf parsley, about a quarter cup of Worcestershire sauce, a little salt and pepper, over the shoulder for luck. In goes the bulgur. So if you're trying to get your family to eat a little more fiber, but they don't really love whole grains or really chewy bread, this is terrific. It just tastes like a regular hamburger when you're done. It's super flavorful, it gives you extra fiber, and it really stretches a buck because, you know, ground sirloin can be pretty pricey. Lemonade break. Mix that all together, and with 1 pound of meat, you're gonna get 12 slider-sized burgers out of that. Now, you can throw these on the grill, but you have to be real delicate with them. I actually prefer them cooked on the stovetop. I actually think these get a lot better color on them if you cook them in a skillet in a little bit of olive oil. So once they brown up on the first side, give them a flip, and then I put a little bit of super sharp white cheddar cheese on top. A little bit goes a long way. We've got some nice sharp cheddar cheese melting down over the top, and then we're gonna top off our better for you bulgur burgers, that's a tongue twister, with our homemade green tomatillo ketchup with the poblanos and the garlic and the cumin.